Okay, we taking it all the way back, straight from 1776. We have Georgia and Martha Washington, Ben Franklin and Betsy Ross. Woo! Love the commitment, love the fits. That's a tailored look right there. You look lovely. Oh, we got the pirate troubadour, yes! Juggling cat fancy feats by the world's finest and first female silver medal juggler. Oh, you are talented, silver medalist, yes! Woo! Can't see past this banner, but I know y'all look good. Next up, we have the Alchemy Performing Arts Group. Lovely, lovely. Oh, that's a jellyfish. I see you. Y'all so creative. Oh, yes. Next up, we have the Parade of Nations. Crews from the visiting ships are showing you what they got. Y'all better strike a pose. Yes. We have Captain Miranda Uruguay, Arlington Marine Corps, Gloria Columbia, Amerigo Vespucci, USNA Yard Patrol, William Hall. My bad, I thought y'all was moving a little fast. Yes, y'all look good, look sharp. Gloria from Columbia making a scene. I see you.
Oh, Columbia.
Next up, we have the Amerigo Vespucci from Italy. Woo! Oh, that's Canada. My bad, y'all. I know how to. I told you I can't see past the banner, but Canada, I support you. Thank you. Rock from Germany. Marching in step. I like the in sync. We have Carrier Strike Group 2. I see y'all. Is that Sweden? Hey Sweden. Hey Sweden. How y'all doing? I'm learning all my flags today.